baby coming out of me. So I'm ABORTING. On my way to the clinic, I forgot the plan B.
But it's the white man's fault. This video is brought to you by Birch Gold, brought to you by Birch Gold. Inflation is real, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care what these lame liberals try to tell you. It's real. The recession is real. If you have all your money tied up in the market or in USD, you may need to consider. But it's not too late for you to take action. Birch Gold can help you with that. Go to birchgold.com/Brandon, and they'll send you a free information kit on how to diversify and protect your savings with precious metals. With an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and countless 5-star reviews and thousands of satisfied customers, secure your future with gold with Birch Gold today. Go to birchgold.com/Brandon and get real help from Birch Gold today. Again, check out birchgold.com/Brandon to claim your no obligation information kit on how to protect your hard-earned savings with gold. Like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell so you get notifications anytime I go live and make a video. Make sure you still subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen, and all the links to Birch Gold is in the description section. Let me talk. See, they always trying to say it's the white man's fault. They don't respect black women. And no. Look at this woman. She twerking in front of Planned Parenthood. They just nasty.
Oh, I know what she meant.
We ain't even talking about the visual. Listen to the lyrics. We got to blur the lyrics out and we got to put all this other stuff on it because nobody wants to see these nasty women. Ladies and gentlemen, please somebody help me. I'm looking at the girl's social media right now as I'm talking to you. It's real. This is a real person. She really made a video about getting an abortion at Planned Parenthood.
Baby daddy free, that mean I ain't got a baby coming out of me. So I'm ABORTING. On my way to the clinic, I forgot the plan B. Let's go. Bitch, I got murder on my mind. Let's go. Bitch, I got murder on my mind. Let's go. Yeah, bitch, I got murder on my mind. Let's go. Murder. Bitch, I got murder on my mind. I forgot the plan B. Ain't no cuffing me. You can't put me on the shelf outside with the team. All these having babies, but that ain't finna be me. Said he wanna settle down, selling all these.
Somebody somewhere explain this to me. Explain it to me. And then you go look at the comment section and I see fire emojis. Look at the comment section. Fire emojis. I'm gonna pull it up. My screen messed up, but y'all can see. Look at the comment section. Fire. This is the fire. This fire. All these black people in here talking about this is fire. Now, we got one black guy. He didn't want to send me this message. He said, Margaret Sanger would be very proud of you, which he was telling the truth. Why do we do this to our own people? You promote this stuff. You elevate these people. You put it out in the atmosphere. And then when a young woman with intelligence dress or look anything like this woman, nobody wants to deal with her because they're going to paint them both with the broad brush. What happened to our women? What happened to women being honorable? What happened to women want to be married and stuff? Y'all want to be thotting it up at the club, shaking it, talking about having abortions. Come on, like what are y'all even doing right now? But this is the culture we live in. This is what is okay in our community. I mean, think about this for a minute. I want y'all to think about this for a minute. Show me white people doing this like black people doing it. Show me the video. Show me a country music singer doing a two-step in front of Planned Parenthood, doing the hokey pokey or whatever you call it. I don't know all the country songs. Show me them in front of the Planned Parenthood doing this. Show it to me. Show it to me. And then you'll prove to me there's not just black folks doing this. It's not just this degenerate culture that a lot of black people have adopted. Show me the country music singer getting his chain ripped off and killed at a Cracker Barrel. Show it to me. Show me a community of white people shooting each other every day and little kids getting struck in the head with stray bullets. Show me a white community that does this. It is culture. It's destroying our people. And when I say our people, I'm talking about America. It's not just black people. This type of culture is destructive to anybody that's a part of it. And let me tell you the difference. Because people say, white people listen to that all the time. Well, That's like me watching a scary movie. It's a movie to me because I ain't in it. And so whoever dying in that movie is entertainment. When white people are looking at black people do stupid stuff like this, twerking it, it's entertaining. The beat is funny. These people are retarded, and it's entertaining. But to black people, this is a reality. Young girls are going to Planned Parenthood and literally committing genocide on a generation of children. Black women have no integrity, going out and sleeping with every Tom and Harry and getting STDs and everything. And it's cute until you burning. But this is what they put. Cardi B. Don't tell me that all this do. Cardi B. Cardi B is the president of the United States of America today, which I question that. He got Cardi B on a Zoom call. Bernie Sanders got Cardi B on a Zoom call. Hillary Clinton interviewing Megan Thee Stallion. She is the woman on planet Earth, next to Cardi B. And I don't want to know if Nicki Minaj, but her name alone tells you that she's slutty. And this is what they putting out in the world. They ain't interviewing intelligent black women. There's a lot of them out there. They don't interview intelligent black women. They're not promoting black women that are promoting positive things. They're promoting the dummies. And then they want the world to see. And then they get mad when people judge you. When you putting it out in the atmosphere, this is what you're going to get back in the atmosphere. Y'all comment in the comment section. Is this an example of Marxist, theorized Marxists being pushed in the inner city and the effects of it? Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. It's up to you. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. All right. Comment in the comment section. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out of here.